Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you're seeing the your graphics card driver is outdated error in Nox Player, don't worry, we'll fix it in this video. So firstly guys, you need to check your GPU and driver version, and if you have an outdated drivers, updating your graphics card drivers may fix this issue. So let me show you how to do that. Right, so as you can see, I am now in my graphics application. This is a native graphics software for my AMD card. So guys, if you have an AMD card, unfortunately I do not possess the NVIDIA card, so I will show this on the AMD example. So in here in driver and software, click on this arrow up, and as you can see there's this button, check for updates. So check for updates and make sure that your graphics card drivers are updated to the latest version. It's either going to be recommended or optional. I always install optional updates because they provide some additional fixes and performance improvements. Right, let us now get to the next fix. The next thing you should try and do is in the Nox Player, click on System Settings. Now in here, can we drag this out? No, we can't. All right. So guys, you can go to the display section. Oh no, actually to the gaming section. So in here you have several options that you can do. So for example, if you have enabled high FPS mode, you may try to turn this off, because basically you're exceeding the 60 FPS frame limits and that may cause issues. So try turning this off. Also, of course, go to the display. Do we have something here? No, we don't. General. No, nothing in here. And the performance is going to be basically the most important thing. So the CPU will not be relevant in here. So we're going to be only talking about the graphics, because the graphics is something we're having problem with. So guys, if the enhanced compatibility mode causes issues and actually gives you that error, you may try using the basic mode, which is DirectX. Or also you can try setting the resolution a bit lower. So if you're playing, for example, at 2K, I personally have a 2K monitor, so I would generally use this resolution. If you have a Full HD monitor, try running it at 900p or 720p. That may clear out this error. And these are basically the fixes, guys. Hopefully any of them will help you. Your GPU drivers should now be up to date, and Nox Player should run without errors. If this helped, press like and subscribe. See you in the next one, guys.